how to upload a PDF or file to your Google Classroom. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to upload a PDF or file to your Google Classroom. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up your Google Classroom. Then open your new assignments portal and you will find the option of Add Attachments. Tap on it. You will see more options, and among them, you'll find the option to upload a PDF or a document from your files. Wait for a little while as you browse and find the project or file you want to upload. After locating it, tap on it and select that specific file, document, or PDF. It will begin uploading on your portal. Once the upload is complete, just tap on Hand In and your file will be submitted on Google Classroom. So that's basically how you can upload a PDF or file to your Google Classroom. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.